Welcome to today's cooking show, and for you today, we have a crispy pepperoni sandwich. First off, we're going to start lining some pepperonis on a parchment-lined baking sheet and then popping them into the oven for a couple of minutes until they are nice and crispy. They may change color. Don't worry about that. It's fine. All right, we got our Italian loaf sliced in half, and I'm just going to butter both sides of this here little old bread. Then you just want to place this on a griddle until it's nice and toasted perfection. And then you want to add, on both sides of the bread, a nice little good coating of mayo. And then on one side, you want to add some butter lettuce. There's also, I think it's known as bib lettuce, and I think there's another name for it, but I can't tell you off the top of my head. But anyway, add some butter lettuce on one side, and then you want to add some of those lovely crispy pepperonis that we made. Trust me, this sandwich is super simple, but it is super delicious. And then you just want to add some tomatoes that I sliced up and added some salt and pepper to. Always make sure you add some salt and pepper to your tomatoes. Much better product. And then just take the one side and put it on the top. And that's really it. We're just going to slice this up here. And, yeah. A crispy pepperoni sandwich. Done.